Hello everyone, myself Kagni Vishnu and today's topic of daily task video is a muscular system. So in this video we are going to discuss about some essential information about the muscles. So let's start this topic. So, first we see introduction of muscle. So overall 50% of body weight is of the only muscles. After that, muscle is made up from proteins and water. Now we see for what muscle is responsible, means what are the basic functions of muscle. So in the human, muscles are responsible for contractions, relaxation, extend. After that, for the contraction. Also, muscles are responsible for movement of body and for the flexibleness. So these are the basic functions of muscle. After that, muscle stores energy. So these are the some works of muscle. Now we see what are the types of muscle. So basically three types of muscle. First one is skeletal muscle, second one is cardiac muscle, and third one is smooth muscle. So let's see in detail about all these types. So first one is skeletal muscle. Muscle are connected with the skeletal or with the bones with the help of tendons. After that, skeletal muscles are found in limbs, and these are voluntary muscles. After that, second type is cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscles found in heart, and these are involuntary muscle, means we can't control the movement of cardiac muscle. After that, smooth muscle. Smooth muscles found in viscera, and this is also the involuntary muscles. Now we see who controls these muscles. So first, skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is controlled by central nervous system. For example, lifting a glass. So these are the voluntary muscles. After that, second is cardiac muscle. So cardiac muscle is controlled by autonomous nervous system, and these are involuntary muscles. For example, heart beating. After that, smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is also controlled by autonomous nervous system. For example, peristalsis movement. So these three muscles are controlled by central nervous system and autonomous nervous system. Now we see shapes. What are the shape of muscle? So first one is triangular. Triangular muscles are found in the shoulder and the neck. After that, spindle shape. Spindle shape muscles are mainly found in the arms and legs. After that, flat shapes. Basically, flat shapes muscles are found in diaphragm, which is present just below the sternum or rib cage. After that, circular shape. Circular shape muscles are found in anus and mouth. Now we are going to discuss about some diseases of muscular system. So first one is neuromuscular diseases. Neuromuscular disease that includes myopathies and neuropathies. After that, tetany also. These are the diseases of muscular system. And myasthenia gravis, it's also the disease of muscular system. So I hope all of you understand the whole muscular system. In this video we discuss about shapes of muscle, who controls the muscles. After that, introduction of muscle and some other information we discuss. So I hope all of you understood. this information. Thank you so much.